Good evening, my lovely people. How are you today? Hope you had a wonderful time. Okay, quickly, today we're going to be making, I don't know the name of what we're making yet. But I think it has to do with rice and egg and some vegetables. So, we're going to be using carrots, green beans. We have the leafy side of the spring onion. Then we have the green pepper. So I have the spring onion and the normal white onion. So I have my pepper for extra spice, and I have my tomato. So I have cabbage, and I have my eggs. So I'm using 3 eggs with salt. Now the pepper and the tomato is optional. The cabbage is optional. So I'm going to quickly, so I have my rice already boiled. I just boiled the rice until it's a bit soft. I've been boiling my rice and it's soft for eating now. So you're going to cook or boil whichever one until it's soft enough to eat. So I'm using a pot because my fry pan is a bit small for the quantity I want to make. So I'm going to take it off the fire now. I just like the way it's scrambled. I'm still going to scramble more in course of cooking it. I just added my onion and spring onion. I'm adding the green beans. Adding the onion, the tomato, and so because of the water content in it, I'm going to allow it simmer for a few minutes until it dries up a little bit. So after a few minutes, this is what we have. So I'm going to add adding give everything a stir, allow to cook for a few minutes, then you add your salt. So we're going to be adding salt, stock cube, adding a little bit of curry to spicing them. I can't tell you how it's the aroma of this food in my kitchen. So now it's time to add the rice. So this is what it looks like. And then you stir. And the food is ready. I must tell you, this food tastes absolutely delicious. Okay, right now you can taste for your salt and your seasoning. If it's not enough, you can add more. Okay, but mine is just right, the right quantity I want it. This food is absolutely delicious. You can see there's no water. You see the pot is dry, there's no water in it, but at the end of the day it's still beautiful. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Let me enjoy this. It's actually a dinner I'm preparing, so let me enjoy this. And we are done. This is what it looks like. This is the next day, and I'm also still enjoying leftovers of my rice.